offered a bit of a bouquet this holiday season for you. That person on your gift list may be, well, that's Buffalo City Subway special release day. Sweet deals, smell good, all holiday season long, half off. Check it out, Sweet Deals tab at KGGO.com.
Happy holidays.
This holiday season, KGGO has teamed up with many Hamtramck markets for Operation Warmth. We're looking for gently used coats, hats, and gloves to benefit local homeless shelters and the International Rescue Committee. You can drop off your donations at one of the 4 many Hamtramck market locations throughout central Iowa. Find a location near you and drop off hours at KGGO.com. Keep up the holidays with Operation Warmth from Des Moines Classic Rock.
We've got auction prices at Dewey Auto Outlet. Come to Des Moines East Side for the best deals and the best options. You'll pay bottom dollar for top quality hand-picked vehicles. Worried about financing? Don't be. Our finance team can work with anyone's credit. To find your next pre-owned vehicle, stop by today for the selection and savings you've been looking for. Dewey Auto Outlet on Hubble Avenue, Des Moines East Side. At Dewey, we hear you.
Food insecurity can impact anyone. Just ask Cyclone legend and Food Bank of Iowa board member Lane Danielson.
It's not visible to a lot of folks that have abundance in our community. We have free meals, lunches, and there was hard times paying for groceries.
When you donate to Food Bank of Iowa, you're not just feeding your neighbors, you're feeding your future. With your help, we can put food on Iowa tables. Join us at HungryFreeHolidays.org.
Reach out and learn more and see where your skills and your abundance can help.
Kohl's Black Friday deals are here. Grab your coffee and put on your sneakers because it's go time. Through Saturday, save up to 50% on everything from toys to beauty faves, winter styles, and more. Plus, earn $15 Kohl's Cash for every $50 spent. Yep, that's extra Kohl's Cash. So run, don't walk. Just hold on tight to that coffee. Select styles, some exclusions apply. Coupons and Kohl's Cash do not apply to Sephora. Offers end November 29th. See store or Kohl's.com for details.
Oh no.
Ah, that's the sound of someone who's misplaced
My debit card.
their debit card.
I'm gonna leave that thing.
Not at the gas pump, or the checkout counter, or the roof of your car. Now, if he has the Chase mobile app, he can use Card Lock.
Wait, I could just lock my card.
Yep, just a few tippy taps on his phone, and that sound, that's peace of mind from Chase.
Chase mobile app is available for select mobile devices. Message and data rates may apply. JP Morgan Chase Bank N.A., member of DIC.
Progressive Commercial Insurance can protect your small business with over 30 coverage options, an easy-to-use mobile app, personalized discounts, and more. Get a quote in as little as 6 minutes at ProgressiveCommercial.com. Discounts and coverage selections not available in all states or situations.
Consistently beating industry benchmarks by over 25% isn't a fluke. It's Cumulus Digital. Smarter marketing with proof. We show you exactly who saw your ad by name and address. That kind of precision is why more than 4,000 businesses partner with us every month, whether they need one product or a full digital strategy. Visit CumulusDigital.com today because you're not average, and your marketing results shouldn't be either. That's CumulusDigital.com.
Hey, that was our exit. We're gonna miss kickoff.
Don't worry, just gotta stop by Fairway, get some chips and dip real quick.
Nice. You got the Upside app too, right?
Upside? What's Upside?
Time out. You don't know this? Check this out. Upside is a free app that gets you cash back when you buy groceries. And they just added Fairway stores all across Iowa.
You're saying I can get money back just for buying groceries?
Yep. With Upside, you can get up to $15 every time you shop at Fairway. And it can really add up. I've actually made around $200 this year already. Now pull over and get the Upside app. Let's get some cash back on that queso.
Download the Upside app and use promo code IOWA4 to get a 15% bonus on your first grocery purchase at Fairway. That's promo code IOWA4 to get a 15% bonus. Use promo code IOWA4. Get the free Upside app and start earning today.
Offers vary by user and location at participating merchants. Go to upside.com for terms and conditions.
Growing up, I remember standing in line with my grandma and mom to get free cheese and butter. Spam and ramen noodles were hopping on the menu. One Christmas, my lone gift was a board game donated from the local church. And here's the ironic part. We didn't have air conditioning, and I spent most winters chopping wood to keep our family warm. This is Brian Leach, and the things I learned growing up formed the foundation of how I approach life, including how I built Service Legends. My North Star remains the same. How do I best serve you by protecting your family, your home, and your investment in comfort? In uncertainty, the tough get tougher and the smart get smarter. We find ways to strengthen our resolve and do more with less. Sometimes that means fixing the family Buick to keep it on the road another year. So when you hear me yapping about the value of proactive maintenance, now you know why.
Call 515-COMFORT. We fix it right or it's free. Service Legends.
If a Lenovo computer for your business is on your holiday list, don't shop around. Go directly to the source, Lenovo.com. You'll find exclusive deals on the PCs you want for your business, like the ThinkPad X914 Aura Edition and Yoga 7i 2-in-1. So avoid all that shopping chaos and price comparing, and just go directly to the source, Lenovo.com, where PCs are up to 50% off. That's Lenovo.com.
Lenovo.
Guys, don't propose with a ring that she didn't pick out. Trust us, she already has a ring in mind. So engage with Gage Diamonds, in person or online, where Gage's skilled ring design
To play the guitar.
20 for Nothing, kicking off the fifth and final hour of a Monday night of Steve Gorman Rocks. Def Leppard's Rock of Ages coming up. But first, one of the many giant hits in Genesis from the 1980s. Here is That's All. Rockin' Des Moines, the mighty 95 KGGO.
On 104.7 The Bear in Wichita Falls, Texas, we have Kurt who needs some advice. Now, Kurt's in love with his best friend, Steve, but she doesn't feel the same way back.
Oh, never, ever, ever a good situation.
Oh, yeah. So they've been best friends, get this, for over 20 years. So Kurt doesn't want to lose their friendship, but he doesn't know if he can love anyone else while she's in his life. Steve, what should he do?
Oh, man. I'm amazed it's been 20 years and they're still friends and he hasn't already blown it yet.
Exactly.
Because normally what happens, at some point you reach your breaking point and you look at your best friend and go, I think I'm in love with you. And then the friendship ends.
Right.
I tell you what, I think Kurt needs to accept the fact that he isn't going to love anybody else, because what has history taught us? I mean, literature, songs, films, every possible type of art in every society that's ever existed tells stories of unrequited love, and it never goes away unless you admit, I will never not be in love with this person. And then if you accept that and say, I'm going to roam the world like a